Try this next time you feel a sneeze coming on. Actually, don't. It's scientifically impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. It's an involuntary reflex, hardwired into your brain, to close your eyelids tightly whenever you sneeze. This protective mechanism is thought to prevent foreign particles, dust, or even germs expelled at high velocity from your nose and mouth from entering your eyes. So, while you might think you can force them open, your body's natural defense system has already taken over, keeping your peepers safe from the sneeze explosion.